Hello everyone, Vivek this side. Today I'm here with you a new website that is totally dynamic. People are getting querying about like they want the basic website, but it should be dynamic. They can put their brandings in there, they can put the galleries in here, they can put their videos, galleries, blogs and social media and addresses, contact numbers. So every website, every brand have these things, every business have these things. So they always have like such a requirement where they want to control the things from their end, from the admin area, admin login they have. From there they can update. So it is a website that is totally dynamic. You can add, edit, update anything. Your brandings will be here. You can prepare a gallery from your own, from the admin. You can upload your PDFs, any documents over here. You can put your events photos here. You can put your roadmap here. You can give any events over here. You can completely make your core team from the admin. You can put events, blogs, videos over here. You can put your own blog. You can create any write article. You can write it down, the particular blog you have, its listing and its all the things you can put from the admin. So the logo, even the logos you can change from the admin. Social media is connected. Let me explain from admin area how it is we are doing. So I am in admin. So once we go here, it have a gallery option where you can upload your all images and you can give its title. Event photos you can put in the system. Members area, you don't need that. The videos, you can upload any video by putting its link in the system, like a YouTube or Vimeo link you can put here. The video will be displayed on the front end. Any documentation you need, that will be uploaded from this area. You just need the image, a particular dimension, scale dimension we will define, and the description with it. This image or PDF image is visible on this document. So this is the heading of this is the image, this is the description, this is the file link to this image as a PDF. You can allow user the blog, any blog you want to write it down, it is available here. You can edit, update, delete, view it. On editing it, you can prepare its title, description, image and meta tags. Meta tags will help you to allow to search into the Google, and slug will be like used to rename its path. Like this path you will be allowed to put from admin any, because it is user friendly, SEO friendly. So you should put any slug here, and these are like meta keywords that will be available to help in the SEO for in the Google. So this is a blog, complete blog. You can write in the HTML format. You can edit, update, delete it. Once you save it, it will be reflected on the front end. After this, we have a web setting from where you can upload these sliders. Like these sliders you can change from the admin. So the manage slider, you have a multiple slider option. You can put any number of sliders over here. Link pages, the footer are control, like link pages, their privacy policy, term and condition, all the data you can control from here. You can put any term and condition in this area. So anything term and condition you want to put, just put it here. So after that, you have contact form. Contact form is a form where, like, if anybody want come on the website and they contact you, they submit this form data will be collected in the contact form area. So you can control it from this contact form area. And after this setting, this you can upload this logo settings from here. You can update the logos from here. And upcoming events, you can put whatever the upcoming events you want to, about information you can update for that is available on the website. You can put it here. After the gallery categories, different categories you can make, and a gallery event you can create it from here. Software setting, you have a managed company. We can you put the contact informations like email and a phone number and the this website link and address. For this setting is again the logo for this back office. So everything you can control from the admin. So this is the front end. FAQ you can put from the system. We can also make the provision to put the FAQ. So everything is dynamic. It is a single page home about our team that will be available here. From you can control it from a smaller tag information control from this all data, this linked pages from admin, everything you can control from admin. So this we called a dynamic website. You can also make ask us to how you make this website. We will provide you this on your domain. You can put your information by yourself. Even you can ask us to put the information. We will design it for you, and we will design it for you, and you can promote it over the Google, and then it will get the rankings gradually. Even we can go for the SEO with that. So if you have such requirements, you can update us anytime. We will do this work for you, and we will discuss the cost over the call for what type of you are looking for, the website look, feel, any other advanced features, or any forms, or any calculation you need. You can also tell us. We will do that. We have complete IT solution. We can do it for you. Thanks very much.